Okay, in example 2, we actually have a cylinder and then a hemispherical bowl. Okay, so we draw part by part. Let's do part A first, which needs you to find the volume of the cylindrical tin. Okay, so cylinder, you want volume. Okay, write the formula. Volume of a cylinder, you should recall that the formula is simply base area times height. In the case here, the base area is the area of a circle. Okay, so this is the formula for the volume of the cylindrical tin. We just do our substitution. The radius in this case is 5 and the height is 7. Okay, now look at the requirements of the question carefully. You need to give your answer in terms of pi. So I don't actually need to press out the pi value to combine it with the rest of what you have here. You just have to leave your answer in terms of pi. It is 175 pi, but we still have to write our units, it's cubic centimeters. Okay, let's do part B. You have to find the volume of the the hemispherical bowl. Now it's a hemisphere. Okay, we may not know the formula for a hemisphere very well, but we do know the formula for the volume of a sphere. So maybe we will start there first. Okay, we have learned, and in fact it's in your formula sheet, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is the radius of the sphere. So looking at this, if you want the volume of a hemisphere, you would have to take half of this. Alright, half multiplied by this, we can write it in the form 2/3 pi r cubed. So we use this to solve the question. We just substitute 9 as the radius. And we get the volume. Again, we don't actually have to multiply in the value of pi. We leave our answers in terms of pi. The answer is 486 pi, but with the units cubic centimeters. Let's do the last part. Okay, read the question carefully. They say that they fill the tin with water, and this water is poured into the bowl. And they're asking you, how many tins of water do you need such that this bowl will eventually be filled up? So if you think about it, all you need to do is to take the volume of your hemispherical bowl and divide it by the volume of the tin. This way you will get the number of tins that you require. Okay? Unfortunately, this is actually not a very nice whole number, so we will press our calculator to help us. The pi cancels out, but this as a fraction, okay, is actually 2.78 in terms of 3sm. So we know that we need 2.78 tins.